Today, we are taking a look at the 1995 Daihatsu Move CX SR kit from Fuimi. It's going to be 124 scale curbside kit, and it is today's What's in the Box. Hey everyone, and welcome into today's What's in the Box. So this version of this kit was reissued in 2014 with some new parts. The tooling was initially released in 1996 as the Daihatsu Move CX. It got a reissue in 1996 as the Daihatsu Move SR Turbo, and then it got a reissue in 1996 as the Daihatsu Move SR Turbo with new parts, which contained some, like, we'll call them off-road bits. It had the roof carrier, the mountain bike, push bars, and what have you. And then the reissue came along. So basically, this is going to be a two-in-one. They have the CR and the SR, so you can build either one. Let's check it out. Starting off now with the body. You can see it is a one-piece body. And getting started now with the chassis parts tree, which will be parts tree A. And you can see the underside molded in detail on chassis. So basically pretty much all of it is molded in, minus a couple of pieces. Over there you have the front spindles with the brake rotors attached. The front struts spindle brake rotor assembly piece. Come down here and you have, I'm guessing, rear suspension pieces, wipers, gear shift lever, front sway bar, lower control arm maybe. That. Hood scoop, lower valence, and then you have front seats, rear seat, and a dash. And now moving on to parts tree B. There is the interior bucket, which is insanely plain on detail. Not much in there. The rear is opened up wide. That's kind of interesting. So here you have a second dash option, which would be the right-hand drive dash option. Looks like steering wheel, columns, suspension pieces, probably rear axle there. Solid rear axle. And now we're going to take a look at the cleared parts tree, which is pretty simplistic. You have the main window piece, the rear window, and some lenses. Now we're going to take a look at the wheels, and you can see you have two choices of wheels. So this is going to be the CR and the SR. And now take a look at the roundy rounds, which will be a set of Pirelli tires. I need a little bit of sanding and stuff on them to make them look a little bit better. And now finally, the last little bit of things to look at. First, the window mask sheet, which has for the, looks like the rear window, and mask off for the taillights. And Fuimi style, they're not pre-cut. You have to cut them yourselves. And you get a choice, or two decal sheets. So the first one is going to be for the CR, or the CX, excuse me. And you have California license plates. And then you have the decal sheet for the SR, which has a little bit of additional, some fancy, not fancy, but you know, yeah, whatever. So that, my friends, is going to do it for this look at the 1990, whatever it was, 95 Daihatsu Move CX XR. Okay. Real simplistic kit from Fuimi. I really have no idea if you can even find paint codes for the Daihatsu Move, so I can't tell you if James at Scalefinishes could even mix them up for you if you could find them. You'd have to find out and let me know. I really have no idea. So, on that bit of news, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.